Welcome to my channel. Today we'll learn how to change the theme of Gmail. First, you have to go to Gmail and then click on Settings is the gear icon. Click it. Then you will see theme and right next to it says View All. Click View All. So here they have some images. You can also choose themes from here. And if you select it, you'll see that it's been changed. So after that, you just save it. You can also change the theme using your own photos. So in order to do that, you have to click here, My Photos. I previously uploaded a photo to my photos. You can select it from there. So if you upload more photos, they will be here. So select it and click Insert and give it a minute. Oops. Yep, it's done. You see the theme is here. So this is how you change the default theme of Gmail. It's pretty easy. It's you can just select any image you want. So thanks a lot for watching the video. If you like it, please subscribe. Thank you.